Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through enabling tablet mode on Windows 11 and explain how it works. Unlike Windows 10, Windows 11 doesn't have a manual tablet mode switch, but it activates automatically on supported devices. First, make sure you're using a touchscreen laptop or a 2-in-1 device. Tablet mode only works on compatible hardware. Now open Settings by pressing Windows plus I on your keyboard. Go to System, then select Tablet. Here, make sure tablet features are turned on and set to switch automatically. When you detach the keyboard or fold your device into tablet form, Windows 11 will instantly adjust the interface. Icons become larger, spacing increases, and touch gestures are enabled for easier navigation. If tablet features don't activate, go to System, then Display, and ensure your screen orientation and scaling are set correctly. Also, restart your device to refresh sensor detection. Subscribe the channel for more videos.